Set sail on your next adventure with the 2023 Bruce Roberts Cat 395 Custom Power Catamaran, now available in Singapore. Designed for long-range cruising and live-aboard comfort, this 39-foot power catamaran is an exceptional opportunity for those who seek efficiency, reliability, and the freedom of life on the water. With an asking price of just $285,000 and a 360-degree view available for your convenience, now is the time to make this vessel yours. Built to offer both practicality and performance, the Cat 395 is equipped with a powerful solar setup, 12 Trinasolar panels generating a total of 5 for 100 W, ensuring energy efficiency and off-grid independence. Dual inverter systems, backup water pumps, and a water maker allow for extended cruising without reliance on marinas. Whether you're island hopping around Southeast Asia or settling into a comfortable live-aboard lifestyle in Singapore, this catamaran is ready to deliver a seamless experience. Step inside, and you'll find a well-designed interior that balances functionality with warmth. The hand-laid wood interiors create a cozy atmosphere, while the fully equipped galley features Electrolux appliances, a Panasonic inverter freezer, and an 8 kilograms front-load washer for ultimate convenience. The yacht's spacious accommodation includes 4 large cabins, comfortably sleeping 8 guests, along with 2 dry heads and additional bow shower rooms for added comfort. A swim platform shower provides a refreshing rinse after a day on the water, making this vessel as practical as it is inviting. From a technical standpoint, the Cat 395 is built with redundancy in mind, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Recent upgrades, including additional batteries and a second anchor, enhance its readiness for serious cruising. The fiberglass hull construction ensures durability while maintaining an efficient draft of just 3.5 feet, allowing access to a variety of cruising grounds. Registered under the Polish flag, this yacht is prepared for new ownership with a recent survey, February 2024, and a completed engine service, September 2024, reinforcing its well-maintained condition. The current owner originally acquired this vessel with the vision of enjoying a live-aboard lifestyle in Singapore but has since decided to part ways due to early retirement plans. This presents an exceptional opportunity for a new owner to step in and continue the journey. Whether you're looking for a sustainable and cost-effective home on the water, a reliable platform for regional cruising, or a comfortable escape from the city, this catamaran is an outstanding choice. This Cat 395 won't stay on the market for long. If you've been searching for a versatile, eco-friendly, and well-maintained power catamaran, now is the time to act. Secure your viewing today, explore the 360-degree tour, and take the next step toward owning this remarkable vessel. Contact us now to make it yours before it's gone. Bosco is the most reliable and effective boating platform in Asia-Pacific. It's our mission to empower members of the boating community to lead a more fulfilling boating lifestyle with the most comprehensive boating knowledge and efficient boating services. We strive to address issues faced by the boating community in the traditional boat brokerage by investing our time to understand our clients and their needs so as to provide accurate information and present our best practices to help them achieve their innermost dreams about life at sea. Come on board and hit that subscribe button and stay ahead with the latest in the boating industry, from buying and selling to maintenance and lifestyle. Come on board. Your next great voyage starts here.